Performance, regulations, installation design, environmental conditions, embodied carbon. Details matter. When you work with data centers, you've got to get it right. Cables are mission critical to operations, so our experts identify the right cable for each application, with our intensive laboratory testing to ensure compliance. As hyperscale build partners, we provide end-to-end support, from technical expertise in project management to our vast stock holding, short manufacturing lead times, and international delivery. Digital transformation continues at pace. Working together, we can make a difference. Talk to us about your data center project, your CPD cable training needs, and your sustainability goals.